8th Samachir Max exercise 2.2 second sum. Area of the shaded portion they have asked you to find out. Here you have a square in which you have four quadrants. They have asked you to find the area of the shaded portion. So area of the square minus 4 into area of the quadrants. That is because you have four quadrants. So 4 quadrants subtracted from the square will give you the area of the shaded portion. That is area of the square will be subtracted. You have to subtract area of the square. In that you have to subtract the area of the quadrants. So how many quadrants are there? 4 quadrants are there. So all the 4 quadrants have to be subtracted from the square. So from the square you are going to remove everything. So area of the shaded portion is equal to area of square minus 4 into area of quadrant. So it is equal to area of square is what? 10. That is, first write the formula. First write what is all being subtracted. So area of the square minus 4 into area of the quadrant. That is what is the area of the shaded portion. Next you write the formula. Area of the square, you know, s into s minus 4 into area of quadrant is pi r square by 4. So it is equal to s is what? Your side. 10 into 10 minus 4 and 4 gets cancelled. Pi is given as 22 by 7. So 22 by 7 into your radius is 5. Here this full length is 10. So quadrant is half of it. So this is 5. So your r will be 5. So 5 into 5. It is equal to 10 tens are 100 minus 22 into 25 by 7. So it is equal to 100 minus, multiply 25 and 22 means you will get 550. 550 divided by 7. So 550 divided by 7 is equal to 100 minus 78.5. So your answer is 21.5. 25.5 centimeter. So 100 minus 78.5 is equal to 21.5 centimeter. So this is the area of the shaded portion. Second subdivision, area of the shaded portion. Here you have a semicircle. In that one triangle is upside down. So in the semicircle you have a triangle upside down. So you have to subtract area from the area of semicircle. You have to subtract the area of the triangle. So area of the semicircle, that is a full portion, minus this will give the area of the shaded portion. So area of a semicircle minus area of a triangle. You know the formulas for everything. Area of a semicircle is what? Pi r square by 2 minus area of a triangle, half into base into height. So it is equal to 22 by 7 into, write this 2 into your r is what? 22 by 7 into r value is 7. 7 into 7 minus half into your base is full length. Triangle is here. So this is your base. Half into base into height. Your base is 14 into your height is 7. So 7 gets cancelled. This and this is 11. 7 times. It is equal to 11 into 7 is 77. 11 into 7 is 77 minus 7 sevens are 49. It is equal to 77 minus 49. It is equal to 77 minus 49 is subtract and see 17. This is 6. So 8, 28. It's equal to 28 centimeter square. So your value is 28 centimeter square. Now third sum, find the area of the figure got by combining two parallelograms. So here you have, this is your diagram which is given. If you draw one line separately means you will get this as one parallelogram and this is another parallelogram. So these two sides are equal. So this is given as 8 means this is also 8. So height of this is 3. For this it is 3 because it is given as 6. So area of a two parallelograms here. Area of combined figure is equal to area of two parallelograms. It is equal to 2 into, base into height is your area. So it is equal to 2 into, your base here is 8. This is also the same way. 8. Your height is 3. So it is equal to 2 8s are 16. 16 into 3 is equal to 48 centimeters square. Then find the area of this combined figure formed by joining a semicircle. So this is your semicircle and this is your triangle with a triangle of base 6 centimeter and height 9 centimeter. So now area of the combined figure is equal to area of semicircle plus area of two triangles. You have two triangles here. So it is equal to area of semicircle is what? Pi r square by 2 plus 2 into area of two triangles, half into base into height. So it is equal to, your pi value is what? 22 by 7 into they have asked you to use the value of pi as 3.14. So you will use it as 3.14 into your r value is what? Radius of this is fully 6 means this is 3. So 3 into 3 divided by 2 plus 2 and 2 gets cancelled, base into height alone. So your base is what? Half of this is 3. 3 into your height is 9. So it is equal to 3.14 into 3 3s are 9. Sorry, you can cancel this. So you will get 1.57. So 1.57 into 9, 63, 45 means 51, 5, 14, 14.13. So 14.13 plus 27. So you will get 13.27 means 41.13 centimeters square. So your answer is 41.13. The doormat, which is hexagonal in shape, has the following measures. Find its area. So you are supposed to find the area of this hexagon. Hexagon means actually it is in the shape of two trapeziums. So therefore area of combined figure is equal to area of two trapezium is equal to 2 into two trapeziums. No, so you multiply with 2. Trapezium means formula is half into h into a plus b. So it is equal to 2 gets cancelled. Your height is given as 70. So it is height of this is fully 70 means half of it is 35. So 35 into a plus b, 70 plus 90. So it is equal to 35 into 70 plus 90 is what? 160. So you multiply means you will get, so 35 into 16. So you will get 30, 21, 35, 5, 6, 6. So you will get 5600 centimeters square. Next you have a rocket drawing has the following measures. Find its area. So this is your rocket. This is in the form of a trapezium. This is your rectangle and this is your triangle. So you will write area of rocket is equal to area of trapezium plus area of rectangle plus area of two triangles. So how many triangles? Because the height is given as 20, your base will be, this fully is 30 means base will be 15. Okay. So it is equal to, write the formulas now. Area of a trapezium is half into h into a plus b, plus area of rectangle is L into B, plus 2 into area of triangle is what? Half into base into height. This is one formula, this is fully is one. So it is equal to half into, your height is 20. 20 into a plus b, 50 plus 30. 50 plus 30 plus L into B. Your length is, you have to find out. This fully is 20, this is 20. So 40 minus this 120 will give you 80. So add these two length, subtract from 120 will be the length of the triangle, sorry, rectangle. So it is 80 into, your breadth is what? 30 plus 2 gets cancelled, base into height. Base is what? I told you this is two triangles. So base is 15, your height is 20. So 15 into 20. So it is equal to 10 times 80 means 50 plus 30 is 80 into 10 will give you 800 plus 2400 plus 300. Add everything together means you will get 2700 plus 3500. Add and see 32 plus 2, 30 centimeter square.